In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit invoice template in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to List, top left, and then from here, you want to click on Templates over here towards the bottom. So click on this, and it's going to open up this over here, and you can see I have a few templates over here in my demo company file, where you can see the type is invoice. So you want to find your invoice template you would like to edit, and you want to click on it like this, and of course, you want to double click it. So double click, and it's going to open up this basic customization, and then in here it's going to allow you to basically change a bunch of things. You could use a logo and select one if you want to. You could go and select your color scheme. There's a bunch of different ones you can use. You can then apply that over here to the right like this. You can go ahead and change font for a specific part. So for example, for titles, I can change the font over here. I can change the size of it, the styles, etc. I can do whatever I want over here. It's going to look like this. There we go. And then of course you can change this for each and every single part of your invoice. Just click on the part of invoice, then click on change font, and you can customize everything you want. Then down here you have some information you can add on there or hide. So as you can see, it's going to add it up here or it's going to remove it. So it's completely up to you. Just check mark it or not. And then of course, whenever you've done that, you can update the information, and you have additional customizations as well over here, which allow you to kind of change different columns, headers, footers, etc. And yeah, that's essentially how to do this. Just whenever you're done, don't forget to basically see the preview. If it's cool, you can click on OK over here and you're good to go. But if you want to change the layout, you can click on Layout Designer over here, and you can basically design your layout over here as well if that's something you want to do, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.